Hey friends, welcome to the community. I want to show you my secret hack to finding the three major chords in any key. All right, so the secret hack, this will allow you to be able to quickly find the three major chords that are in any key that you want to play in. Finding these three major chords in a key is such a great tool to add into your musical tool belt. Knowing at least these three chords helps you to really pick out what key the song is written in much more quickly and to be able to correspond different chords in different keys as just a kind of a quick reference. Okay, so there's 3 steps to doing this. Okay, so step 1 is whatever key you're wanting to play in, I want you to actually play that chord on the piano. So for this example, let's say that you want to play a song in the key of C and you want to know what the 3 major chords are in that key. So you play the C major triad, which has the notes C, E, G, like below, okay? So the C was found by this group of 2 black notes. You lined up your 5 fingers, played every other note. That is our C, E, G, our C major chord. Okay, so that's the key I want to play in. So now step 2 is we're going to move the 3rd finger up the piano 1/2 step. So from here to here is 1/2 step, okay? To the right, I should say. Move it up 1/2 step to the right. Okay, so now we have these 3 notes, okay? So the 3rd step is we're going to form a chord around each of those 3 notes, okay? So C, now we have to form a C chord. Okay, here's a C chord, C, E, G. That's the 1st chord. Okay, so what's our 2nd note? Okay, we have an F chord that we have to form, okay? F, A, C is our F chord. Okay, you following me? We have a C chord, F chord, and what's our 3rd and final one? G. We have to form a chord around this single note. So G, B, D. I'm just playing them over here in my left hand so you can simply see what chords we came up with, okay? So review. You're just kind of maybe jamming out with people and people are like, hey, I want to play in the key of C. Well, maybe you just don't know the chords that are in that key, or you can't remember, or you wanted to transpose, you wanted to change keys. And so you wanted to know, okay, I'm going to jump from a key of C to the key of D. And so this little tool of finding the 3 major chords in any key will at least get you a bulk of the chords that are made up of that key that you want to play in. Okay, so again, you played the chord of the key that you want to play in. Okay, so for that example was C major chord. 2nd step was to move the 3rd finger up 1/2 step. Okay, these are the 3 notes that it makes, but we have to form a chord around each of those notes, I should say. So here's C major chord, F major chord, and G major chord like I showed you down here. Okay, so I do have a printable resource. If you click on the description below, I have a printable resource that'll help you to be able to print this out and go over it over and over. But this is such a valuable skill. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day.